Hi, welcome to our online video series on learning to use your mobile devices. My name is Cassandra.
And I'm Kate, and we're from NEOnet's TechSocial program.
In this video, we will demonstrate the necessary steps to create a unique password, as well as using fingerprint security for your Apple or Android device.
The resources in this video can be found in Module 2 on our website, neonet.on.ca, or by clicking the link below.
Let's start with Apple. Under Touch ID and Passcode, you can customize the security for unlocking your Apple device. By default, the Apple device requires a passcode to unlock it. If you have a newer version, you can also unlock it using your fingerprint with a feature called Touch ID. When you first start up your Apple device, you'll be prompted to create a passcode lock. If you ever wanted to change it, it's pretty easy to do so. Tap the settings icon on your home screen, then tap Touch ID and Passcode. General settings will appear. Scroll down and tap Change Passcode. Personal Identification Number, or PIN, is a 4 to 17-digit numerical code. For a 4-digit numerical code, use the keyboard to enter your current passcode. The next screen will automatically appear, prompting you to enter a new passcode. Enter the new passcode. You'll need to enter it twice to confirm. Your new passcode will be set. For an alphanumeric password, select the passcode options. Select Custom Alphanumeric Code. Type the password you're comfortable with. The password must be at least 4 characters, must be no more than 17 characters, and must contain at least 1 letter. Use an alphanumerical password with symbols that's at least 8 characters long for ultimate security, but anything will do. Hit Continue. Re-enter the password to confirm. You can also set it up to unlock using your fingerprint. This feature adds an extra security measure since fingerprints are unique to each person. Touch ID can be used to unlock your phone, bypass passwords, and Apple Pay. Tap the settings icon on your home screen, then tap Touch ID and Passcode. Input your passcode, then tap Add Fingerprint. Next, you'll see a screen that gives you the details on fingerprint security, so read through this carefully. Then press Continue. From here, you'll be prompted to add a backup code that will be used in the event that the scanner fails to recognize your fingerprint. Follow the instructions shown on the screen, and then place your finger or thumb on the Home button. You may need to touch the Home button repeatedly until the Apple device gets a good read of your fingerprint. Your fingerprint will be added, and you will now unlock the Apple device with your fingerprint with Touch ID. Newer devices with front-facing cameras should have an option for Face ID. See Module 3 on our website to get more information.
Now, on to Android. Just like the Apple device, Android phones are vulnerable to outside attacks. The best way to protect your information is to have extra security measures on your device. First, tap on the Settings menu. Scroll down to tap on the Security option. Here, you can change your password, PIN, or pattern. Tap which option you prefer. By default, this option is set to Slide, which means no password or pattern is needed. From here, select which lock type you want to use, whether it's pattern, PIN, or password. With the lock pattern, draw a unique pattern on a 3x3 grid of dots to unlock the device. Swipe up to draw an unlock pattern you want to use. If you made a mistake, hit Retry. Otherwise, hit Continue. It will then ask you to draw that pattern again to confirm. Personal Identification Number, or PIN for short, is a 4 to 17-digit numerical code. Insert a 4-digit PIN that you're comfortable with. Hit Continue, and then re-enter the PIN to confirm. For an alphanumerical password, type the password you're comfortable with. The password must be at least 4 characters, but must contain no more than 17 characters and must contain at least 1 letter. Use an alphanumerical password with symbols that's at least 8 characters long for ultimate security, but anything will do. Hit Continue, re-enter the password to confirm. Android now supports fingerprint scanners, and newer phones with front-facing cameras have an option for facial recognition. For more information, see Module 2 on our website.
We hope this video has helped answer some of your questions about how to demonstrate the necessary steps to create a unique password. For more information, see Module 2 on our website, neonet.on.ca, or click the link below.
We would like to thank the Ontario Trillium Foundation, the Ontario Seniors Community Grant, and the Timmins Venture Centre for funding this program and these videos. Thank you for watching.